We'll guide you through how to split screen on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Split screen is really convenient because you're then able to use multiple apps at the same time. For example, you could go and be scrolling a web page while going and having something else open, like somewhere where you could go and type something. So what you want to do is you want to go and open up one of the apps you want to do split screen with. Let's go and say I wanted to go and do it in Chrome. Then what you need to do is you need to come to the bottom and you need to go and find the three lines. For me, they're on the right, they can be on the left though, and go and tap there. Then swipe across, go and tap on the app icon at the top and press open in split screen view. Then you can go and choose the other app you want to open. Let's go and say I wanted to have docs open. I can then go and have that open. I could go and create a new doc or whatever I want. And I can then go and use these at the same time, as you can see. And what you can then do is you can go and come out of here if you wanted to and back on the home screen.